To access QMex Easy Document Access, first, click on the Sign in with Azure Active Directory button. This allows users to securely log in using their corporate accounts. QMex Easy Document Access is a next-generation document management platform. It provides fast access to internal documents, advanced search capabilities, and AI-powered knowledge discovery. On the main screen, you can see the Search Documents, Favorites, and AI Assistant menus. To personalize your experience, you can easily switch between light mode and dark mode. Now, let's explore the search feature. Click on the search icon and enter a sample keyword. In a common daily scenario, users may know that certain data is stored in OneDrive, but may not be sure which document contains it. So, as an example, we perform a full-text search using the keyword OneDrive. By clicking on the document number, you can view the full document. On the results screen, all documents containing the searched keyword are listed. Documents are ranked by relevance score, and the most relevant results appear at the top. To quickly access the relevant content, you can use the Show Match Text option. This allows you to jump directly to the section where the keyword appears. You can add frequently used documents to your favorites by clicking the star icon and access them quickly later. But what if, instead of manually searching within documents, you want to directly ask your question? For this, switch to the AI Assistant screen. For example, when you want to learn the details of a document related to data backup, you can ask your question here. The system automatically finds the relevant documents and generates document-based answers. Similarly, if you stop using OneDrive in the future, you can easily list all documents containing the term OneDrive using the search feature. Then, you can quickly initiate the necessary revision process through QMex. With QMex Easy Document Access, accelerate access to information, centralize your processes, and take your organizational efficiency to the next level.